Now let us start with the next part of the chapter, that is metals. Metals, you all know, they are hard and shiny, and some rocks have metals in them, means metals are found inside the rocks also. So such rocks are called ores. What are they called? Ores. Means ores are the rocks which have metals in them, and these ores are taken out from the earth by digging deep pits called mines. From where do we get these ores? From the mines. Means earth is dug very deep inside, and then rocks are taken out, ores are taken out, and from the ores metals are extracted. And then metals are then separated from the ores by heating them in a furnace. Now after the ores are taken out from the earth, they are heated in a furnace to take out the metals. Metals will melt and come out from the rock. Okay, now what is a furnace? A furnace is like a huge oven which can be heated to a very high temperatures. The metals melt into liquids inside the furnace. Means it's a furnace, a very big oven, and it has a very high temperature, so that metals can melt inside it and we can take it out. And then after taking out, metals are made into sheets or blocks as required. And then metals can also be beaten into thin sheets or drawn into very long ones. Yes, you have seen that we have metal sheets also, and we have metal wires also, and we can make various shapes also. Now let us see uses of some metals. Some metals like gold and silver, they are used for making jewelry. And here we are studying about iron. Iron is used to make nails and hammers. Okay, and when iron is mixed with carbon, this iron, when mixed with carbon, we get steel. So how do we get steel? Steel which we use at our home as utensils, when iron is mixed with carbon, it forms steel. And we use this steel to make utensils, railway tracks, machine parts, and buildings, etc. Next metal is aluminium. Aluminium is a whitish metal and can be beaten into thin sheets. You all have seen this aluminium foil at your homes. So this is a very fine sheet, very thin sheet. So aluminium can be beaten to form such thin sheets. And it is also used to form utensils, lunch boxes, furniture, window frames, etc. Next is copper. Copper is reddish in color. It is used to make electric wires. This wire, you have seen, all the electric wires which we use at our home are made of copper. And when this copper is mixed with other metals to form brass and bronze. And copper is mixed with other metals to form copper and bronze. Brass and bronze. Now what is the use of this brass and bronze? Now brass is used to make utensils, locks, musical instruments such as trumpets and drums, and is used to make bells, coins, medals, and parts of musical instruments. You have seen coins, you have seen bells, you have seen medals, and some musical instruments. So these are the uses of brass and bronze. And gold and silver, as I told you earlier, they are used to make jewelry. They are precious metals. Next is glass. Glass is also very usual thing we use in our lives. That is, it is very hard and brittle. Brittle means what? Brittle means easily broken. Means glass can be easily broken, and it is made by heating a mixture of sand or silica. It is same thing, sand and silica, lime and soda. So glass is made by mixing three things, that is sand, lime and soda, and it is mostly transparent. Now what is transparent? A substance through which we can see. So transparent means a substance through which we can see, like the glass, glasses which are used to make windows and all, we can see through them. They are transparent, and it can also bear high temperatures. So for making variety of things. And colored glass is made by adding some coloring materials to a glass mixture. Now let us see some uses of glass. They are used for making window panes, mirrors, flasks, magnifying glass, bowls, bangles, bulb. It is also used for making cooking vessels. You have the cooking vessels which are used in microwave and all, they are made up of glass. It is used for making lenses, spectacles. The spectacles which we use, the goggles which we use, they are made of glass, and the magnifying glasses. And it is used to make laboratory equipments. What are equipments? Because in class, equipments is the set of necessary tools for a particular work. That is called an equipment. Like here you can see this flask. It is a laboratory equipment. It is made up of glass. And it is used to make electric bulbs and lenses for telescope. Electric bulbs and tube lights, all these are made up of glass. So these are the uses of glass. With this we are completing this chapter, and notes I have already notes you will get with this, and I hope you all are writing, enjoying studies. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.